Welcome to the Roam Tech channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. MileIQ is a mileage tracking app designed to simplify the often tedious process of logging miles for business, charity work, or medical purposes. The app operates primarily in the background, automatically recording your trips using your phone's GPS. This eliminates the need for manual entry and significantly reduces the risk of missing valuable deductions. MileIQ categorizes your drives as either business or personal with a simple swipe, and provides comprehensive reports that can be easily exported for tax purposes or expense reimbursement. This app is a game changer for freelancers, small business owners, real estate agents, and anyone else who needs to track mileage regularly. It simplifies record keeping, saving users time and potentially money. The automated tracking feature is a major advantage, ensuring accurate and consistent mileage logs. While the free version offers limited monthly drives, the premium subscription provides unlimited tracking and additional features such as customized reporting options. The app is available for both iOS and Android devices, offering a convenient and efficient solution for mileage logging in today's mobile world. MileIQ seamlessly integrates with other accounting software, further streamlining the process. By automating the tracking process, MileIQ allows you to focus on your core activities rather than worrying about remembering every trip. This efficiency boost translates into greater productivity and reduced administrative burden. Whether you're a seasoned business traveler or just starting out, MileIQ can prove an invaluable tool. Accurate mileage tracking is crucial for maximizing tax deductions and ensuring you're properly reimbursed for business-related travel expenses. Consider the convenience and peace of mind offered by MileIQ and how it can simplify your mileage logging needs. The ability to categorize drives with a simple swipe is particularly user-friendly, making the task of managing your mileage logs quick and painless. Beyond its core functionality, MileIQ also offers resources and support to help users understand mileage deduction rules and optimize their tracking strategies. This commitment to user education makes MileIQ more than just a tracking app, it's a valuable resource for anyone who needs to track their mileage.